Let's get ready for story time. Are we ready? Today's story is a fiction story about the wind. Yesterday we read a nonfiction story that told us some facts. Today we're reading Clifford, the Big Red Dog, The Windy Day. And this story is written by Sonali Fry and illustrated by the Thompson brothers. That's nice. Some brothers did the drawings. So here we go. Hi, I'm Emily Elizabeth, and this is Clifford, my big red dog. Clifford always tries his best to make me happy. One day I was painting a picture of Clifford at Birdwell Island Park. Oh, I love how she's using the colors. And she's holding her brush so nicely. I was almost finished when the wind blew my painting up and away. Clifford ran after it. But he didn't see Mr. Bleakman, who was feeding some squirrels. Uh-oh. Oh, sorry, Mr. Bleakman. Then Clifford saw my painting drift towards Sheriff Lewis. So Clifford followed it. Sheriff Lewis was eating a yummy cupcake, but when Clifford went running through, T-Bone got to taste some too. When my painting flew toward the ground, Clifford finally caught it. He was so excited that he didn't see Jetta. Uh-oh. And again, Clifford was very sorry. I was happy to get my painting back, but everyone else was mad. Clifford should look where he's going. He's making a mess. Clifford didn't mean to cause trouble. He just wanted to get my painting for me. I took Clifford to the pier where Charlie was selling lemonade. Suddenly it got very, very windy. Everyone gathered on the pier. What's going on? We wondered. Then we looked toward the sea. It was a tornado, and it was heading toward Birdwell Island. What are we going to do? We cried. We were all scared, except for Clifford, that is. My big, brave red dog swam out into the sea. He took a deep breath. Are you ready, guys? And blew the tornado far, far away. Birdwell Island was safe. Clifford may have caused a little trouble that day, but in the end, he was a hero. Hooray for Clifford! This story was so cute. Clifford gets into trouble a lot because he's big and he doesn't know where his body is in space. He forgets that he's so big, so he bumps into people and he knocks things over. Some of us do the same thing. I know I bump into people a lot. I don't mean to, and I'm always sorry, and I try to say, "Excuse me," or "I'm sorry I bumped you." Things like this happen. Do they happen to you sometimes? Do you spill your milk sometimes? Or do you drop things sometimes? It happens. Clifford is so big he just can't help himself. He was trying to help Emily Elizabeth get her painting back. Now this is a fiction story. It's made up because dogs never grow to be as big as Clifford. He's bigger than the trees. That's a silly thing. But it is true that wind can blow papers. That part is true. And it's also true that when you fall into the mud, you're going to get dirty. And it's true that he did make a mess. But a doggy would never be bigger than the people. Well, there's something else that's true in this story. Tornadoes can happen. Tornadoes are very strong winds that spin around and around and around, and they can cause damage. And that's why the people were afraid. But it is not true that all you have to do is take a big deep breath and blow it away. That is not at all true. That's fiction. So tornadoes are true, and blowing them away is not true. And it is true that everybody probably loves ice cream. What do you think? So in a story, there might be things that are true in parts of it, and there might be things that are untrue in parts of it. But that's what makes a good fiction story. I hope that you enjoyed our story today. Draw me a picture of your favorite part. Was it when Emily Elizabeth was painting? Or was it when Clifford was chasing the paper? Or was it when he blew away that tornado? Or maybe it was the ice cream at the end. This is my favorite part because you know I love ice cream. Who remembers my favorite flavor? That's it, chocolate's my favorite. What's your favorite? Hope you enjoyed the story. Bye.